You can set alarm clocks with customized settings for your convenience. Tap Apps. Tap Clock. Tap Alarm if it is not already selected. Tap Create Alarm. Set the time for the alarm. Set the days of the week for which the alarm